In this quick video, I'm just going to show you how you can schedule a LinkedIn post using NapoleonCat. If you haven't seen our publisher's general video overview, hit the link in the top right corner. So, I go to the Publish feature by clicking this icon on the left. Let's say I want to schedule a post for tomorrow. I click on the yellow plus icon on the calendar. I choose my LinkedIn profile. Of course, I could choose multiple profiles across different platforms, but let's keep it simple for now. I can add my text in this box. I can add an emoji. I can also add an image, or a video file, or a link with or without UTM tags. As for this post, I'm just gonna go with the link. On the right hand side, I can see the preview of the post. Right now, the post is set to be scheduled. However, if I toggle this yellow button, I can switch the mode and publish it right away. Let's stick to the script and schedule it for a later date. I click the date, choose the day on the calendar, and set the time. And as for the internal organization of your work, I can assign other team members here so that they can also work on crafting this post. And I can add subscribers who will be notified of any changes made to the post. For an even better organization of my work, I can add internal titles and color-coded labels that will be best seen when you access the calendar. I can also have internal discussions with other team members, so I can, for example, listen to their feedback under specific posts. So, when you're ready to schedule your post, click on Schedule. And if you're not ready, you can always just save it as a draft and come back to editing your post later on. If you wish to conquer social media, just hit the link down below and sign up for our free 2-week trial. And if you have any questions, just contact us through our website and we'll be more than happy to help you guys. Until next time, bye bye.